Team, keep the line moving. Pineapples to the right. Got it. Crates are ready? Good. Double check gloves and hair nets. All clear here. Last one packed. All right, starting batch Pine 001, 50 pineapples. Scanning now. Confirming quality. Scanned. Logging into inside factory process. Looks good. Next batch ready. Last pallets. Let's move. Conveyor ready. Load them on. Pallet secured. Moving inside. Good. Keep it smooth. From start to finish, our automated systems guarantee safety and quality in every canned pineapple ring. At Inside Factory Process, every pineapple is hand-checked to guarantee it's safe and perfect for children's desserts. We ensure that only the freshest and safest pineapples enter our production line, so every canned ring is perfect for your family's desserts. Our advanced washing system eliminates dirt and bacteria, keeping every pineapple safe for children's desserts. Every step in our washing and sanitization process ensures complete food safety before processing, so every canned ring is safe for kids.
Thickness is stable at 0.85 mil.
Good. Speed at 98 spacity.
Looks good. Keep monitoring.
Automation ensures every slice is uniform, precise, and safe for your family's desserts. At Inside Factory Process, precision slicing ensures every pineapple ring is safe, consistent, and perfect for your family's desserts. Each pineapple ring is perfectly cut and safe for children's desserts.
These glistening pineapple rings are clean and fresh. Perfectly safe, highlighting their natural quality.
Fill level and ring placement are correct.
This one is good too. Keep them moving.
Next one looks properly filled.
Agreed? All clear.
Sealing preserves freshness and keeps our product safe for long-term storage.
Let's check this batch. Perfect circles and even thickness.
Right. This one looks good. Right.
Hold it up to the light. Check the hole.
Oh, no issues.
Good. Set it aside.
Next one.
This one has a big bruise. Compost.
Got it. This one's discolored too.
Keep checking. No exceptions.
Understood. Next batch. A final rinse keeps every pineapple ring clean, fresh, and safe for children. Sealing locks in the freshness of every pineapple ring, keeping it safe for long-term storage. Quality checks are clear. Proceed with filling.
Confirm. Fill rate is at 100%.
Excellent. Keep monitoring for any irregularities. Understood?
Process is stable.
Every can is carefully filled with real pineapple rings and light syrup, perfectly prepared for kids' desserts.
Careful filling, sealing, and tracking ensure every canned pineapple ring is safe, fresh, and perfect for your family's desserts. From fresh pineapples to perfectly canned rings, every step is carefully controlled to keep these pineapple desserts safe for kids. Scanning this batch now.
Any issues?
No, it's a match. At Inside Factory Process,
Consistency and safety are our top priorities, so every canned ring is perfect for your family's desserts. Precision is key to both safety and taste, so every canned pineapple ring is perfect for children.
Scanning this batch now.
Got it? Verifying the trace.
Confirmed. Next one.
All clear. Full batch accountability. Scanning batch 2024 A12. Recording it now. Scan complete. Data saved.
All set. Next box.
Our careful packing process ensures your desserts arrive safe, fresh, and delicious. Seal applied, tracking intact. Label placed, destination confirmed.
Ready for shipment?
Whoa, hold it right there. Copy that, stopping now. Perfect, lower it down.
Fresh, juicy pineapple rings add a burst of tropical flavor. Perfect for high-quality, kid-friendly desserts. Enjoy the freshness and quality. Inside factory process. Quality, safety, and taste you can trust for your family.
Goodbye, have a good one.
Take care out there.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
The Inside Factory Process Facility, Bupina professional reliability and modern industrial excellence.